My name is Dash and I lead product strategy at K15T. I'm going to talk about our newest app, Orderly Databases for Confluence. The idea has been floating around for the longest time. We are very passionate about using Confluence, and we've found a lot of challenges with a lot of functionality, especially with page properties and tables. So we wanted to make something that's going to be useful for us, and we were sure that people are going to like it and find it useful as well. The biggest challenges were some of the technical challenges that we had to overcome. We wanted to build the app on Forge, but Forge wasn't ready yet for what we wanted to support. So we had to do something differently, and hopefully we will migrate it to Forge soon.
Confluence is a great tool for team collaboration, but as your team grows, and so does the content in your Confluence instances, teams fail to keep their information in order. And the most important reason why is because there is no defined structure and connection between the different information that you put into Confluence. And that is why we introduced a new app called Orderly Databases for Confluence. My name is Anshuman Dash, and within the next couple of minutes, I'm going to give you a very quick demo of our latest app, Orderly Databases for Confluence, which lets you keep your content structured and consistent throughout your Confluence instance. With Orderly Databases for Confluence, you are able to replace your tables and page properties macro with a database that you can define on the space level. Creating a database is pretty straightforward. Simply click on New Database, add in a name of a database. So let's call it My Database. You can add a cover image and click on Create. Once you have the database here, you can define all the fields or the columns in the database. And we have a lot of predefined database fields. You have text fields, page links to Confluence pages, images, links to other entries within another database, user fields, date and select field, and link types. And we are adding more and more predefined fields every other day. So now let's go back and let us see a database that we have already created. So within the Good Consulting team, we created previously a table where we had stored all of the information of the team members, but after Orderly, we just simply converted that into an Orderly database table where we have defined all the properties and fields for all of the employees. We have things like nationality and roles where we have used select fields so that you can define the exact information that needs to go in here. And we also have dedicated Confluence pages which are linked from here. Now let us see what we have done with the database. Once you have created it and defined the fields, you can embed the databases onto pages. So we have an employee data page where we have embedded this database in the form of a macro. And the best part is you can also by default have a table field here, or you can use a card view as well. Within the macro, you can easily filter the records, you can sort them, you can define what filters are available. Let's check out another use case that we have. For example, we collect all of our ideas within Good Consulting team as Confluence pages where people can go and quickly add a new idea. The idea pages have, or ideas have, certain fields such as description, owner, status, and team. And if you can click on one of these ideas, you will see that we have embedded that information here, and this is also an Orderly database. You can quickly and easily change all of this information within here, and it will reflect everywhere this macro has been embedded. So that's a very quick overview of Orderly databases. As you can see, you can use it for so many different use cases. You can use it for managing ideas, customer projects, competitors, and your imagination is the limit. So that was a quick overview of Orderly databases. It is available in the Atlassian marketplace for Confluence Cloud and is free up to 10 users. So go ahead, give it a shot, and share all of the cool things that you do with it.
Have fun, seriously, and I encourage all of you to try out Orderly databases for Confluence. It's free for up to 10 users, so just use it and have fun.